It's a simple, go anywhere, comfortable touring machine. And the updates to the new Himalayan seem to have been done keeping in mind comfort, practicality, and owner's feedback, and to give the bike fresh appeal.
Meet the all-new 2021 Royal Enfield Himalayan. It gets new colors, a few cosmetic changes, and it now gets the Tripper navigation pod. What has changed? Let's take a closer look.
The updates may not be apparent at first glance, and they are centered around adding better ergonomics and comfort. There are new color options as well, like the unique pine green shade of our test bike. But the new colors cost more. And now it gets turn-by-turn navigation courtesy the Tripper navigation system. But there are no mechanical changes and the dimensions remain the same. The Himalayan still gets 220mm of ground clearance with long travel suspension, although it's still a heavy-ish bike with 199 kilograms curb weight.
So this one is a last generation Himalayan, the 2020 model BS6, and this one is a 2021 model. If you look at it from afar, not many changes, but of course the new colors, the existing colors remain, but the new colors make it stand out. There are minor changes, like the rear luggage rack has been lowered, so when you swing a leg over it, it's easier to mount the new Himalayan. The seat cushion has been changed for more comfort on longer rides, and these, the luggage racks, you can carry 2 saddlebags here or jerrycans if you wish. The design has been changed. The earlier one on that model used to be like this. So for taller riders, it used to be a problem because the knees will scrape on that luggage rack. So the design has been changed. Apart from that, the Tripper app of course makes an entry on the new Himalayan, and the windshield design has been changed. It's wider to accommodate the Tripper pod and is slightly taller with a tinted finish. And of course what's new is also the headlight ring, which is now finished in matte black compared to that chrome finish on the old one.
The most significant change is the new Tripper navigation system, which adds a new circular dial. Powered by Google Maps, it can be connected to the Royal Enfield app, and the turn-by-turn navigation directions are easy to use. With the new dual density foam, the seat has better comfort for long rides on the highway. Performance remains the same because there aren't any mechanical changes. 100 km per hour is where the Himalayan is happiest and will cruise all day long. But chasing very high speeds is not Himalayan's forte. It's more the relaxed, easy tourer for the unhurried traveler. And when the tarmac ends, the Himalayan will decimate bad roads and trails without a care in the world.
So the new Royal Enfield Himalayan cost about just over 2 lakh rupees ex-showroom. It's a little bit more expensive than the last generation model, yes, but now it gets the Tripper app, which will come in handy if you're into touring and exploring new places to navigate your way through it. Engine, the BS6 engine remains the same. It'll give you a performance of about 125 km top speed. Maybe with a lighter rider, it'll go up to 130 km, but you can cruise at 100 km per hour all day long. As long as you're not chasing very high speeds and you want to tour, you want to explore, this one still offers a very good option for your two-wheel adventures. And the more you ride it, the more it begins to grow on you.
The Himalayan definitely is a good bike and still has its weakness. More power, less weight, and better brakes perhaps could have certainly made it even more desirable. But eventually, it still charms you with its simple character, whether you're the urban commuter, highway cruiser, or adventurer. And that charm is the Himalayan's biggest strength.